Good morning, fellas. Let's go. We are live and everything is working. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. It's going to be a great day, guys. It's going to be a great day. I can feel it in my bones. I can feel it in my bones. It's going to be a great day. Good morning, Timbo. Good morning, Bob Means. How we doing, fellas? How are we doing? Hey, day trading like a predator. Good morning. Hey, Deepak, I'm right here. This is me. It is I, EMAC. Good morning. Pay the trader. Good morning. Let's get paid today. Oh, you know what? I didn't even check. Did my payouts get approved? Come on. Did they get approved? It does not appear that way. It's still pending. Oh no, I'm gonna freak out. Well, we had news at 8:30 and market went up. Market went up a lot. Hey, good morning, Dan Emmons. How are we doing? Still bummed I'm on day 9 today. That sucks. They should make it like Apex really should do something about if like this payout window especially was kind of, you kind of got the raw end of the stick, if you know what I mean. Because you literally only had 3 days where you really could count towards your days traded, because you know you only had Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to do it, and then you have Saturday on the 4th, and the 5th is Sunday. So you really almost, they should make it if the 5th comes, or the 4th and 5th, the weekdays don't count. They should extend it a little bit. I think that would be fair. But what do I know? They don't care what I think. Oh, okay. You got 3 approved yesterday, and 3 will be on day 9. Oh man. Hey, you know what? This gives you more time to build a bigger cushion. You can look at it that way. S&P goes up in 50-point increments now. It does seem that way. Hey, D Versatility. Good morning, D. Good morning. Good to see you. When is the market open? It's currently open right now, but on the weekends. So Friday at 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, the market closes, and then it doesn't open up again until Sunday evening at 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Hey, Amelia Stitcher, good morning. Peter Schapp, good morning. Blazar, good morning. Rot, good morning. Clarity, good morning. Braden Green, good morning. Mario, good morning. How long does it usually take them to approve payouts? It usually takes like a day or two. Give me a second. I have to take this call. And I'm back. Sorry, I was on the phone. Hey, Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Good morning. Let's go. Amelia, good morning. Roger, Sam, good morning. David Gabriel, good morning. Neo, good morning. Paint Bar Trading, Oliver, Alan Sutton, K Trader. How we doing, folks? You know what? Today's going to be a great day. I just got a feeling. I just got this feeling. We got everything finally set up again. It literally took me 2.5 hours yesterday because I had to do a completely clean install of Ninja Trader so that it works. And it took me 2 hours to get all my charts, all my indicators, imported back in Ninja Trader and getting everything set up again how it was. It took forever. But we're back. And it's all fine. Because of the update, yeah, well, technically it was because of Guardian Angel Trader. That's what was causing the issues. So when I went to try to update Ninja Trader, it uninstalls the old version and then it goes to reinstall the new version. But then when it did that, Ninja Trader prevented, or Guardian Angel Trader prevented it from continuing to install. So yeah, not a fun time. It blocked it from installing, basically is what happened. All right, we are making a move higher. Man, I really hope today is a day where we just have a big uptrend all day long. That is what I am really hoping we see. And we might get a little bit aggressive, but I'll try not to get crazy. Okay, one thing. And we're open for business. We are open for business. Buckle up, folks. Hey, Braden, good morning. Sharuz, good morning. Hey, John. I didn't have to say, I'm not sure if I even said good morning, John, but good morning. Hey, let's go, Black Coffee. I might be kind of aggressive here this morning, so just hang with me tight. Hang on. 100 contracts all in, no stop loss. That might be a little more aggressive than kind of what I was thinking. Shoot. John, that's fine. Oh. Pulling back a little bit here at the open. Hey, day trading like a predator. Thank you. Thank you. Black Coffee. Didn't realize this was Patrick Whelan's stream. Yeah, hang on, guys. Hang on. Let me go get my leopard shirt and my sunglasses. I'll be right back. I was just kidding. I just wanted to get my coffee and Nutty Bar. Oh, yeah, we need the McLaren in the background, too. Let's go. Good morning, Design. Good morning. How we doing? I am really going to be looking for longs today, and I'm going to try and be aggressive. That's right, Neil. Let's go. We like green. Now let's just wait. I mean, we're holding this trend line really well right now. By the way, guys, so this affordable indicators, the affordable indicators chart trader, which is this here, right here. Dude, I realized something yesterday. So yesterday when I had to set everything up again, man, I want to take a stab here. This is on micros. But did you guys see what I did there? Basically, I can switch between minis and micros just by a click of this button right here. Super cool. Right here, I can just switch between micros and minis by the click on the chart. I love it. I would rather, come on, price. Looking for a move higher here. But don't like what I see. We're just going to bail. Uh, trap trap the bears. Do it. There we go. Trap those bears. Let's go. Oh, man. Man, that coffee is good. Hey, let's go, Sharouz. Still blowing plenty of PAs and evals. Hey, Neovec, I saw in one of your previous videos you have an indicator to show economic news in NinjaTrader. Funny story about that. Being that I had to do a clean install yesterday of NinjaTrader, now I can no longer get that Apex news. I tried to get it and I can't. So I'm actually currently kind of looking for something that will tell me the news. I mean, I can always just go to, Forex or whatever that website is. If I'm still trading micros, I'm switching between micros and minis, Johnny English. But here, I wanted to show you guys. So right here, by the click of this button, I can be switching between trading micros and minis. Dude, that is so nice. It's not even funny. Like, hey, I want to trade minis. Oh, really? There you go. Oh, you want to trade micros? Oh, there you go. And it's as easy as that. You love to see it. 800 is a nice. By the way, so Patrick Whelan was giving away money yesterday, and he was giving away like $1,000 or something crazy, and you were supposed to type in chat. So I typed in chat and I told him, "Hey, you know what? I don't even need 1,000. Just give me $800." No, man. What is the difference between Tradeovate and NinjaTrader now that Ninja bought them out? I just prefer NinjaTrader because of, I don't know, you can just do so much more with it, I feel like. It's banned. but banned. How many follower accounts can you have with the affordable indicator copier? I have done it. I don't know. I don't think there is a limit, Alan. I think you can have 20 or 40. I do not know. I haven't not hit the limit yet. I'm sure he graciously paid you then after he saw your comment. Yes, he profusely apologized and sent me 1,000 just because. No, I'm kidding. He did not. He pretended like it didn't even happen. And And also, I don't need your 800 because I'm making real money. Payout. That's true. You know, I'm this weekend, guys. So tomorrow, my plan is tomorrow is going to be the day where I collect the data from Apex to do my top 10 video for April. I'm really curious if Mr. Patrick Wheeland and how much he actually got paid out. I don't know about you guys, but I find it a little bit interesting that if he got a payout, he has yet to share it. Like, you would think if he took a payout that you would, you know, he would be making a post and a video about it. So I kind of find it hard to believe that he hasn't taken the payout. But in the same sense, it's like a little bit, I'm wondering, or maybe he did post about, you know, that he got approved, payout approved, that type of thing. I don't know. How was Jamaica? Jamaica was awesome design. Yeah, we had a great time in Jamaica. Just an awesome time. It was really, really good. It was really hot. And I'm very thankful to be back home in my nice AC. I really appreciate my AC a lot more. It would be over YouTube, the nightly news, and the cable network news. Exactly, John. You can hide payouts on their websites, but no, you cannot, Johnny. You used to be able to. Technically, there was a little glitch for like 2 months, but not anymore. What do you think about gems or Swaggy? I have no idea what you just said, Empressa Records. I have no idea what you just said. So I'm really curious once I collect all that data for April, and we'll see. We'll see. You thought you could opt out? Well, you can be anonymous, but you still will show up. Or at least your first letter, and then will show up. But yeah, that is a little bit of a, but ask yourself this. If Patrick Wheeland, the guy that will promote and is all about YouTube and promoting himself, why in the world would he be all of a sudden claiming to remain anonymous on his payouts? That makes zero sense. Hey, let's go, Matty Matt. How is my mother-in-law? Thank you for asking, Josh C. Thank you for asking. So she's doing okay. We ended up waiting until last night. Last night we went to visit, and yeah, I definitely appreciate the prayers. So her heart is out of rhythm, and her heart is currently in AFib, is what they call it. And sometime later today, they will shock her heart to try to get it back into normal rhythm. So that is the plan for today. So, but I don't really have any more news than that. He posted the payout on Instagram, David. I see. Maybe he did. It could be. I thought he was getting like a $10,000 or $12,000 payout in April. I thought, but I found it a little bit weird that he didn't post it anywhere. But maybe he did it on his Instagram. I don't know. I don't have Instagram. I don't have it, and I don't use it. Can I go on Instagram and see? Let me look. Man, this, I found his Instagram. Man, this is cringy. Oh. All right, let's get a pullback and we shall just continue higher if that would be okay with everybody. Can you guess why I had to submit a ticket to Apex Trader Funding? No, tell me, Almighty. Tell me. Do you have the basic chart trader? Roger Sam, I actually have the advanced chart trader, so I am not sure what features are actually available in the basic chart trader. But yeah. Something really stupid happened. Oh no, Almighty, I know what happened. Don't even tell me. Don't tell me that you accidentally canceled the wrong account. Tell me that didn't happen. I have done the same, so don't feel bad. Come on, really? This is the only pullback we're going to get? Today might be one of those days where we just don't get much of a pullback. We just keep going higher. Top of the hour, 10 o'clock news. Copy that. Copy that, Roger. Roger, Roger. Got something in my eye. Jeez. Friday grind day. Yep. So Almighty, is that what happened? Did you accidentally cancel the wrong account? I hate it when that happens. Price moves so fast. All I wanted was 10 ticks last trade of the day. And listen to this. I opened with a market long button for 10 ticks at the end of the day. Yesterday, the price hits my stop loss. So fast. Amprisa, yes. With Apex, once you have a funded account, you have to get to $2,600 profit on a 50K account. Once you're at $2,600 in profit, you can withdraw $2,000. It opened a short where your take profit was, ooh. But are you doing a support ticket because of that? Because you're not going to get anywhere with that. That is what can happen with market volatility being really high. And you're not going to, Apex is not, you're not going to get any help from Apex on that. That is one of the risks when, if you trade high volatility, excuse me. If you trade high volatility, that is one of the risks that you take. It can blow right through your fill order, and then you can get filled on your take profit order, and then it go against you. It can definitely happen. And that's also why you know, don't trade those high volatility news events because that definitely can happen. It can especially happen when you have your take profit really tight and really close to your order. Like that is way more likely than to happen, obviously. So I'm sorry that happened, Almighty. That does suck, but I am kind of doubtful that you're going to get any sympathy from Apex. But that does suck. That's not cool. Hmm. Okay, we have news in 4 minutes, guys. News in 4 minutes. Be aware. My stop loss was over 30 points away. Yeah, I know. And I mean, it's crazy how that can happen, but it can. That is crazy, though. Starting fresh with 20 PA accounts today, CA. Oh, snap. That, hey, I wish you much luck. I wish you much luck, CA. I hope you get great fills, and I hope you don't even go through drawdown. All right? I hope the first 10 trades you just enter and it immediately goes to your take profit. Are those not the best kind of trades? Is when you just enter a trade and it literally doesn't even go into drawdown. It just immediately goes where you want it to go. Best feeling in the world. SEX is great, but I'm just saying that is the best feeling in the world when you don't even go through any drawdown. It just goes right up to your take profit like it's easy. Yeah, black coffee. Past 1 day yesterday, all 20 counts as well. Let's go, CA. Take it slow. Yep. Hey, thank you, Oliver. We got a couple really good ones so far. Let's hope we can keep it going. Sponsorship from Nutty coming soon. Hey, Amakre, good morning. Thank you, thank you. We took 2 trades so far, and I like it. Okay, I was curious. So, okay, we have news coming out in about 1 minute. News in 1 minute. What is the news? Isn't it like ISM? I think. Yeah, David Gabriel, but I mean, if you're I think what you're doing, David, is probably the smart move. I know it's tempting. Okay, ISM and PMI. So we should see a pretty good move here. We should see a pretty good move. We are 40 seconds away, or 20 seconds away from news, so be careful. And we looks like we just want to keep going higher, huh? See if this is a fake out or not. Could be. Yeah, now pulling back. Ooh, she pulling back now. So we shall wait. See if we keep going lower or it's gonna be a dip and rip. Oh man. Big move lower here. Getting a pretty nice, pretty big move lower now. We shall wait. And back up we go. Maybe. Looking kind of bearish now. Definitely not really interested in going in on this. I'm just gonna wait. Maybe we pull back to VWAP here at the 17,900s maybe. I don't know what I'm getting a little hesitant now on my bullish bias. Now I just need to be careful. Hey, good morning, Rad Poker. Good morning. To the best of your knowledge, as an American living in Spain with a tax of 21% on capital gains, is it better to use my American residence or Spanish? Are you using Empresa records? Are you using prop firms? Are you planning to use prop firms for your payout? Like, or for your trading? Because if you're planning to use your a prop firm for your trading method, then it is actually um it's not looked at as capital gains. It's just a 1099 or a basically you're treated as a contractor. Yeah, Empresa. So that's really not anything to compare it to. I guess you will get a. I'm not sure in Spain what it's called, but in the U.S. it would be a 1099. But basically you're treated as a contract employee. So the capital gains does not apply for if you trade with Apex. All right, are we going to get a move here or not? I might jump in here. Yeah, I should have taken my little profit there. Man, this is volatile. Ay, ay, ay. Ugh. Well, we might have to bail here. Ah, come on. Gosh. Basically hoping this holds right here. It's crazy how two micros is like this big of a moves. Crazy how how much volatility is happening right here. Really need this thing to rip higher now. I'm just gonna kill it there. Ah. Being a little too aggressive. Now it's probably gonna rip. And pulling back again. Yeah, I just need to wait, see what this market wants to do here. We're kind of consolidating. As long as we don't go below this 900 level, as long as we don't go below this, I feel like the longs have a really good move, but not sure I want to dive in here. Hey, let's go, David. That's awesome. That sounds like a good plan. It's just kind of feeling heavy. It's feeling heavy. Down we go. Really glad I got out of that. See if the 900s hold. Yeah, design, exactly. Good morning, Win. Oh. A nutty day in the life video, Impresa? Probably not. It would be too boring. This is what a day in the life of Nutty Bar Trading would look like, okay? This is what the video would look like. I get up out of bed and I go wash my, take a shower, brush my teeth, and then I would come down to the, to my office. Usually have some devotions, and then I go make my coffee. I eat my Nutty Bar, and I try to get some work done. Usually try to get some work done before stream, and then I stream. That's really it. It's not that exciting. I don't have any fancy cars or anything to show off, The dog must have. The dog is going crazy upstairs. Not sure what's going on. Fancy car purchases are foolish anyway. Yeah, I could not agree more. Unless you actually enjoy the car. Like if you enjoy and it's always been something that you love doing, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. But if you like go out to buy fancy cars just for the content and to be cool, is it's not my cup of tea. All right, market. I'm disappointed, market. I thought you were wanting to go higher today. Now you have me second guessing it. How does a giant green candle happen before the open? There was news at 8:30. If you have an LLC, can you write off PAs and eval fees and Prisa? You don't need an LLC to write off those fees. You do not need an LLC to write off your eval fees and PA fees. You can write off without an LLC. I don't quite trust going long yet. We're just kind of trending in a channel lower, and I don't want to get trapped like this. And we're just stair-stepping this down right now. Really hoping we don't make new lows right here. No trading offline. Who are you accountable to? Basically accountable to you guys, mod. Basically. And there we go. We do have new lows. So I'm just going to be sitting on my hands here. Really not interested in taking any trade here. Oh man. This is weird because the price action looks very dull and boring, but these moves are actually relatively big moves. I'm just not interested in it. Dan Emmons, what's the problem? Mega Academy. They're everywhere, Dan. They're everywhere you go. I put up with it all the time. You just gotta let it. It is what it is. All right. Again, we're failing every time we try to make a move higher. We just immediately get rejected. And we wait. All right, I'm about to go see what is up with our dog. There's something wrong with him. And we're going lower. And now we're going to make another, try to make it push higher again. Really need to see this thing break above the 45s, above the 60s. See if we can get it going. Come on, market. Just rip it. I want it to go higher. I want it to be a good day. You can do it. What kind of dog do I have? It's a miniature golden doodle. Hey, Mega Academy. Thanks for the $5. I appreciate it. Why am I on timeout? I was being nice and saying hello to someone I used to chat with a long time ago. I am not sure. I'm not sure, Mega Academy. Let's see. Since I got this cool feature where I can see the channel activity. I'm blue 10 account, so Dan Emmons, it's me. I guess I'm not sure, Mega Academy. I'm actually not sure why you were in timeout. One of the mods must have put you in timeout. But I'm not quite sure why. I don't see anything that is... I guess that would warrant it. So, I guess, sorry. At Dan, we argued about micros versus minis over a year ago, and I have to concede over a year later that you are correct. I started using micros and scaling big time, and it's been great. It's all good. All right. I love when people reconcile their differences. Let's go. Okay. It looks like we got ourselves the bulls are back. I hope. Do I want to take a stab at this? Thing is, my stop was going to be pretty big if I am wrong. But I really like, as long as we're above the 45s, and I think I'm going to have a big target here. Big target. Might be a little aggressive here, so let's hope I didn't make a big mistake here. But I do need to go check. There is something majorly wrong with our dog. He is very upset. I trust that I can leave and this trade will be fine when I come back. I have faith. Well, hang on. Do I have faith? Market. Market, why you do this? Why you be like this? You don't have to. Does not have to be like this. Now I probably should have waited for that candle to close. Because now I definitely don't like that candle close. I do not like this one bit. Dang it. Nutty Bar, what are you doing? I mean, technically, I can sit through this drawdown. Oh, I don't like it. But I think that's what we're going to have to do. If we lose this 92 area, then I will just be wrong. Unfortunate. All right, I do need to go check on the dog. I will be back, and I assume we're going to be back in green when I come back. All right, guys? The chair will be in charge of this trade. I'll be back. Hold it, we're back. Well, this thing gonna reverse on us? Should have came back a little bit sooner, huh? I don't even want to know how much we were up at one point. You gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna leave again. I was up 120. Shut up. That makes me sick. I got distracted. The wife came out. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This is not cool. Not cool, market. Not cool at all. Are we really just gonna rip this thing lower now? Son of a... This is not ideal at all. Man, I hate letting a trade like that go red. Oh, man. John, what do we got here? Ooh, we got a pond. A nice pond. Ooh, I like a pond. That would be fun. That would be fun. Ah, this is really rough. I hate this. Now it's like, do I just cut this right here, take my loss? I mean, technically, I'm still okay with the trade as long as we don't go below this 890s, but I could see us rip down and go below the 890s. I really could. The fact that we failed to make a new high on this move up is very concerning. I think we gotta keep our trade. We gotta stick with the plan. As long as we don't go, if we go below this, I'm gonna just be wrong and we're gonna take the L. We're gonna take it like a man. But we're still gonna be upset about it. Why am I still in? Yeah, great question, Mr. Wall Street. Because I wasn't here. It's my wife's fault if we really want to get technical about it. But I would never blame her, but you know, technically I was going to go up, make sure the dog's okay, and come right back down for real. And then I got distracted and it took me 15 minutes. And here we are. You know, what can we do? We find ourselves in a situation. And the thing is, I told her I have to go and check on my trade and I'll be right back. So they're still on we still need to check some things. We weren't done with our conversation, I guess is my point. Man, I really am starting to hate this trade. Oh my gosh. It's probably my biggest pet peeve in trading is when I let a nice green trade go red. I seldom allow that to happen, but here we are. We need a big green boner candle here. Come on. Come on, let's go. Big green boner candle. Come on. Don't you do it. It's not going to do it. It's going to be difficult. Oh, I hate this. I hate it. Absolutely hate it. Yeah. Daggone it. This is depressing. This is... Hey, Trader's Chick in the house. Hey, how we doing? How we doing? Good morning. Francis? I was not here. Oh, man, I hate this. I really need to... I am really debating about just killing this trade and just pretending like it didn't happen. I don't know what I want to do. Here it goes. Oh, man. I mean, the thing is, it's stupid, I feel like, to get out here, because if I actually wasn't in a trade right now, this would actually be, I would really be looking at entering along right here. I really would. But obviously, you know, hindsight's 2020, but try to keep a clear mind while in a trade is probably one of the harder things to do when trading. But I still like a long here, but it's definitely getting to be very questionable. Big green boner candle right here. Let's go. Come on. If we don't do it here, then I probably should kill it. I should. Not saying I will. Big green boner candle. Come on. No, I'm not going to add. It's tempting to add, but nope. That's going to just compound my... That's going to compound everything and make it worse. How much money is one tick on this trade I'm in? The trade I'm in currently is, I'm in with 2 micros, so that is $1 per tick. $1. Just $1. It's only $1, but it's crazy how much it can move. Rip it higher. Come on, you weakling. Market, you are pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. And I hate you. You know what? I'm going to go get a drink of water. We're back. We're back. Unfortunately, market, I really do hate you. Unbelievable. Ah, this is so frustrating. The moment of truth is upon us. Are we going to hold or not? It definitely does not look good. Oh, this is so BS. This is what makes me want to punch monitors right here. This exactly right here. The thing is, I've already accepted the loss completely, fully accepted it, so it's okay. We will just take the loss, I guess. As frustrating as it is. Oh, yeah. You've lost many keyboards in your life. Feel like I'm due for a new keyboard. Don't break the monitor. That's 4 to 5 evals. True. True. You know what's really going to tick me off is if this thing gives me hope again. Don't give me hope, market. Don't do it. Don't give me hope. I'm just going to get that much more upset. Don't give me hope, market. This is what happens when you blame your wife for a trade. I didn't technically blame her. I was just telling a fact. uh, and here we go. This is going to be it, folks. Oh, man, what a frustrating trade. What a frustrating trade. Don't give me hope, market. Don't do it. I'm telling you. I'm gonna break things. The only way to win this situation is to teach your wife to trade, then she will be glued and you won't be distracted anymore. Don't give me hope, market. I'm telling you, market. If you give me hope here and then rip it against me and stop me out, we're gonna have actual problems. Like legitimate. We're gonna have legitimate beef. Don't give me hope, market. Unless you really mean it. Don't tease me. This is going to be the moment of truth right here. This is it, folks. We are either going to not make a new low and make a move higher, or we're going to make a new low and we're going to make me sad. So we'll see. We're going to either trap the longs or trap the shorts. Let's just wait and see. This is, come on, come on, come on, baby. Give me a big green boner candle here. Let's go. Big one. The biggest one you got. Biggest one we've ever seen. Give me it. Give it to me. You can do it. You can do it. Rip it. Please don't do this. It's stressful. It's one of the longest trades I've been in quite some time. Come on, don't do this. This is actually a difficult situation here. I could just close it. Come on, green boner candle. Where are you at? We need you now. Come on, rip it right here. Go. Gosh, this is like pulling teeth. Come on, rip it. This is where it also gets so... It's so tempting just to get out at break even here. But at the same time, honestly, I don't know. I think actually what I'm going to do is this. Are you serious? I can't even get filled on that. This is starting to really get my attention. All right. Now we're out of one, we're down to one contract. That way, if it does rip against us, we can... I don't know. I just don't like... I'm not in the mood, and I do not have the mental bandwidth to sit through another pullback to this test with what I was at. So I'm going to just be hanging tight. Gotta say, though, she had me in the first half, not gonna lie. She had me in the first half. Yeah, it is a nice double bottom, slow grind higher. You could definitely justify staying long. But at this point, the way this trade has gone, I'm going to be okay. If we rip higher now and hit my target, actually, I need to put in a target here. Give me a second. If we go up and hit this target, I'm going to be totally fine with... I'm going to be totally fine with it. What a nice rip here. Wow. We sat through the pain. Now we sit through for the gain. I like that, Dan. That is actually the hardest thing. And for me, like for me, trading, that is something that I've not quite overcome yet, because we just sat through. The reason it was so painful, I mean, first of all, if I was here, I mean, it's still, hey, how we doing, Alpine? Let's go for the win, the white stop. That's right. This stop actually needs to be right here, to be honest. But when I was gone, again, let's all make sure everyone understands this is technically was my wife's fault. I don't want to say that I'm blaming her, but technically it was her fault. We're just spitting facts here. And I say that because I'm pretty sure she's not listening to the stream. Obviously, you know, we have to tread lightly here. But if I wasn't distracted and was at my desk, this trade here, I would have taken my profit. Okay. 100% would have taken my profit. But then we did sit through all this. We went from a 120 point winner to a 200 point, or it was like $195 drawdown. And looks like we might just get back up there. Let's go. Let's take it higher, higher. I was up 200. Shut up. Was I actually? I'm going to be actually upset if that's the case. I'm going to rewind the stream and I'm going to find out so I can actually know how much do I need to blame my wife. We're going to discover this all on her. We're going to find out. No way. Okay, so how far did it go? The highs were 80, we're at 90. So okay, so right there was the highs. So we were up $250 per account. Definitely my wife's fault, for sure. All right, now I'm going to take it off right here. There's no need to get greedy. And if we stair step this down, this is kind of right at the top of the range here. So everything considered, let's be grateful that we where we're at right now. We will take it. Hey, green is green. That's right, Alpine. Dude, Alpine, how's your day going? How's your day going?